Hi friends, I am Sajid and welcome back to my channel SciTech. In today's video to do the AI benchmark test comparison between the iQOO 7 versus the iQOO 3 device, Snapdragon 870 chipset versus Snapdragon 865 chipset. Let's see friends how much the iQOO 3 can actually score in this AI benchmark test. That's what I'm going to exactly compare between these both devices. So which has been requested by plenty of my users, ask me to compare side by side. So let's see friends which processor will be scoring what kind of AI benchmark results in this phone. Let me try to open the application. And here's the application friends, as you can see. Let me just show you exactly the settings. So same settings I'm trying to use in both phones. What are the configurations and everything? Same settings, everything is same. As you can see clearly, nothing has been changed. Let's start the test. So this is my first time doing this kind of side-by-side comparison between these both phones, iQOO 3 and the iQOO 7 device. So even I am really interested to see how well this iQOO 3 will be able to perform in this kind of AI benchmark recognition. So this benchmarks will be showing us a couple of images and the phone should be able to detect the image. So if the phone detects faster, the phone will get the high points. That is what this benchmark, this is how it works. So again, I'll be back after a certain amount of time, then we can actually discuss what is happening with the scores as well. So during this time, you should not be worried. The temperatures will not increase anyway at all, nothing. There will be no change in the temperatures because this is very normal benchmark application only. This is a AI benchmark, so not testing the CPU and the GPU. So the temperatures will not increase much higher, so don't worry about that. So again, I'll be back after a certain amount of time. As you can see friends, we got the AI scores between both phones, iQOO 7 and the iQOO 3 at this point. You can clearly see the difference of it is 71.6 versus 68.5. So I need to test even in the other phones, maybe what is happening in this iQOO phones, I'm not sure. So I'll try to test in the different phones, maybe in the 865 processors, in the OnePlus 8T as well. I do have the OnePlus 8T. I'll try to compare in the OnePlus 8T, how is the score in this phone as well. Let's see what is happening. And that's it friends, thank you for watching this video, and this is a quick comparison between both phones in terms of only AI benchmarks only. I don't think this will definitely impact any kind of performance, so you should not be worried at all. Even if the scores are less, that's the one thing you should know about this kind of testing. So just for the information only, I'm trying to do this kind of AI benchmark comparison. So see you in the next video friends, I'll then stay tuned for more updates. Meanwhile, signing off. Bye.